To number 5. Basket again. Ang no basket. Number 34, may hawak ng bola. Spin. To number 12. To Higit. Oh, good. Rebound by Yuri. Pass to Bautista. Bautista. To Ang. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Wala pa din. Yuri. Black. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 12. For 2, no basket. Fouled by number 15, Ang. First free throw, Sarsuela, basket. Second free throw. Complete 2 by Sarsuela. Replan. Pass to Yuri for 3. 3 points by Yuri. There's number 34. Gonzalez fouled by number 20, Yuri. Sir, may hawak ng bola. Pass to Gonzalez. Makukuha ni Baser. Ibibigay dito kay Higit. Makukuha ang bola dito. Stepping on the line. Ang ating score 8-5 in favor of Team Technical. Gonzalez. Left-handed layup, no basket. And there's Replan. Wrong pass with the wrong guy. Gonzalez. Kinulang yung layup dito ng number 18, Replan. To Yuri. Pass to Replan. Senyadosa. Basket count. Senyadosa in the 3-point in the free throw line para sa kanyang 3-point play. Basket. Aranza for the inbound. Pass to Higit. Long pass to Gonzalez. And there's Gonzalez. Spin for 2. No basket. But fouled by number 7. Basket. Second free throw. There's Balatero to Bautista for 2. 2 points para kay Bautista. There's Higit dribbling the ball. Pass to Baser. Baser lay up. Basket. Points para kay Baser. And there's Yuri. Pass to Bautista. To Number 7, Senyadosa. Wala. Zarzuela makakakuha ng bola. Higit. Pull up for 2. Basket.
Basket.
2 points para kay Higit. And there's Yuri. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Balatero. To Kataytay. 2 points by Kataytay. Traveling violation by number 34, Gonzales. 13-12, dikit lang ang ating score and we have 5 minutes and 2 seconds dito sa ating time remaining. Yuri may hawak ng bola. Pass to Balatero. Full up for 2. No good. Rebound by Higit. To Zarzuela. Naagawan dito ni Yuri. Bautista. Again, Bautista. 2 points. There's Higit. Driving the ball. No good. Rebound by Kataytay. Pass to Yuri. Pass to Balatero. Balatero. To Bautista. Wala. Bautista again. Basket. Balatero matatawagan dito ng foul. Gonzales in the free throw line. No basket. Second free throw. Basket. Yuri received the ball. Pass to Bautista. Back to Yuri. Yuri naghahanap ng papasahan. Cheers. Balatero. For 3. No good. Bautista makakakuha. Higit. Steal the ball. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales mai-stealan dito ni Bautista. Yuri, no good. Follow-up shot by Balatero. Wala. Balatero to Bautista. Mai-steal. There's Baser. Pass to Zarzuela. Out of bounds. Next-level Warrior ball possessions. There's Yuri. Pull up. 2 points by Yuri. 18-14 ang ating score dito. In favor of Next-level Warriors. And there's Gonzales. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. Yuri may hawak ng bola. Pass to Balatero. Bibigay kay Tolentino for 2. No good. Rebound by Zarzuela. Zarzuela fouled by number 16, Tolentino. 2 minutes and 31 seconds dito sa ating first quarter. Zarzuela in the free throw line. First free throw, basket. Second free throw, no basket. Tolentino secured the ball to Aljama. Balatero, and there's number 8. Malabanan fouled by number 12, Zarzuela. First free throw by Malabanan, no basket. Second free throw, no basket. Tolentino makakakuha ng bola. Tolentino, 2 points by Tolentino. There's Baser. Pass to Zarzuela, full up for 3, no good. There's Aljama, traveling violation. Ball possession by Team Technical. Higit for the inbound. Pass to number 28, Baser. Higit, makakukuha pa din. There's Zarzuela. Blocked by number 16, Tolentino. Balatero, may hawak ng bola. Balatero for 2, no good. Balatero again. 3 seconds violation by number 16. Baser, matatapikan na naman. Pero makakukuha niya ulit. Pass to Mohar. To number 15. Oh, basket. Rebound by Malabanan. There's Aljama. Still by Baser. Pass to Zarzuela. Layup. Kaliwana, kinanon pa. Easy 2 points by number 12. And there's Malabanan. Makakuha ni Tolentino for 2. No good. Senyadosa. 2 points by Senyadosa. At timeout para sa kupunan ng Team Technical at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Kahit sumakay, mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulok pa si Steve Nash, diwid ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag let's go.
We are back to our ball game. Ball possession to Team Technical. Higit to Gonzales. Pass to Baser. Pull up for 3. No basket. Rebound by Rafael. Rafael naman ang susubok for 3. No basket again. Senyadosa secured the rebound. Pass to Balatero. There's Balatero. To Aljama, pull up for 3, no good. Follow-up shot by Malabanan, pero wala. Pinasa kay Senyadosa, wala pa din. Aljama, to Senyadosa, to Malabanan. Traveling violation by number 8, Malabanan. Higit to Gonzales. Back to Higit for 2, basket. Last 15 seconds. Tolentino for the inbound. Senyadosa to Balatero. Last 10 seconds. Balatero to Aljama. To Balatero. Full up. Oh, basket. And we have 19-22 in favor of Next Level Warriors. At dito nagtatapos ang ating first quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo.
And we are back dito sa ating second quarter of the game. Here's Balatero. Pass to Aljama, full up for 3. No basket, rebound by Higit. Ipapasa sana kay Rafael pero matatapik ni Malabanan palabas. Same ball possession. At isang magandang hapon sa lahat ng ating viewers on live. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Concepcion. At shout out sa lahat ng mga manonood natin dito sa ating San Pablo City basketball page. At shout out sa San Pablo City Referees Association of Laguna or SPCRA. Referees ng mga champion, please support, like, and follow ng kanilang page. And we are back to our ball game. Aljama binigay dito kay Balatero. Balatero titira ng 3. 3 points para kay Balatero. There's Gonzalez dribbling the ball. Gonzalez left-handed layup. Basket. 21-25 ang ating score. 4-point lead para sa kupunan ng Next Level Warriors. And there's Aljama dribbling the ball. Pass to Malabanan. Malabanan to Balatero. Floater. Basket by Balatero. 2 points. There's Gonzalez. Traveling violation. Aljama. Balatero. Pass to Aljama. Full up for 3. Senyadosa. Basket. At fouled by number 15, Rafael. At timeout para sa kupunan ang team technical at magbabalik ulit at sa Pablo City Basketball League. And we are back to our ball game. First free throw. Senyadosa, no basket. At ang second free throw, pasok. Aser, fouled by number 20, Yuri. Ball possession to team technical. Rafael for the inbound. Ipapasa dito kay Baser. Rafael hindi makukuha ang bola. Cheers, Yuri. No good. Follow-up shot by Balatero. Wala pa din. Gonzalez secured the rebound. Gonzalez fouled by number 8. Malabanan. Rafael received the ball. To Gonzalez. Higit makakakuha. Bibigay dito kay Rafael. Pull up for 3. Oh, good. Senyadosa secured the rebound. And there's Yuri dribbling the ball. Full up for 3. Yuri, 3 points. Baser may hawak ng bola. Pass to Gonzalez. Back to Baser. Baser spin for 2. No basket. Yuri na naman. May hawak ng bola. Pinasa kay Senyadosa. Yuri for number 30. For 3. No good. Number 15 ang matatawagan dito ng pushing foul. Rafael pala doon ang matatawagan ng pushing foul. Here's Ang layup. No good. Rebound by Higit. Pass to number 15, Rafael. Gonzalez, atake for the reverse. 2 points by Gonzalez. Here's Bautista, pass to Yuri. Back to Bautista. And there's Ang. Oh, basket. Rebound by Rafael. Rafael. And Kalatkat. Good ball. Ball possession. Ball possession to Team Technical. Baser for the inbound. Pass to Moran. Back to Moran. And there's Sarsuela. Pass to Baser. Dribbling the ball. Moran to Rafael. Back to Baser. Full up for 2. No basket. Traveling violation by number 15, Ang. Kalatkat. Secure the ball. Yuri to Bautista. Bautista, atake. No good. Out of bounds. Ball possession para sa Technical. Sarsuela to Gonzalez. Pass to Rafael. And there's Moran. Full up for 3. No basket. Ang to Bautista for 2. Bautista fouled by number 31, Moran. Escusura for the inbound. Pass to Yuri. Back to Escusura. Back to Yuri. Pull up for 3. Oh, basket. And there's Kalatkat to Ang. Napakagandang pasa nun dun sa ilalim. 2 points by number 15. Still by Yuri. And there's Bautista. 2 points again. Moran. May hawak ng bola. Pass to Baser. And there's Baser. No basket. At foul by number 15. Ang ating score, 23-36 in favor of Next Level Warriors. And we have 4 minutes and 19 seconds dito sa ating second quarter. Baser in the free throw line. First throw, basket. Second free throw. No basket. But here's Sarsuela. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Next Level. Kalatkat for the inbound. Binigay kay Yuri. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Bautista. Bautista for 2. Basket. Baser to Rafael to Gonzales. Stealed. Escosura matatawagan dito ng pushing foul. There's Baser. Pass to Zarzuela. Pull up for 3. No basket. And Escosura. Technical. Zarzuela in the free throw line. Basket, first free throw. 3 shots ata to. Ay, technical free throw lang pala. Number 28, pass to Baser. Layup, no good. Rebound by Replan. Pass to Yuri. Pass to Bautista. Back to Yuri. Here's Yuri, pull up for 3. Oh, basket. But fouled by number 28, Baser. 3 free throws yun. Ito si Yuri sa ating free throw line. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. Last throw. By number 20, wala pa din. Here's Gonzales. Gonzales, dire-diretso lang. Basket. 2 points by Gonzales. Yuri to Bautista. Pass to Kalatkat. Makukuha ni Zarzuela ang bola. Pass to Rafael. Rafael to Baser. Oh, basket but fouled by number 5, Escosura. At penalty na dito ang next level. 25-39 ang ating score in favor of next level Warriors. Second free throw. Para kay Baser, no good. Ball possession to next level. 3 minutes and 4 seconds our time remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Yuri to Bautista. Bautista sasagad. Wala. Out of bounds. Team technical ball. Zarzuela. To Baser. To number 30. Sasagad for 2. Basket. Marquez, easy 2 points. Yuri, may hawak ng bola. Yuri pull up. No good. Zarzuela. Zarzuela fouled by number 9, Bautista. Penalty na naman. We have 2 minutes and 19 seconds. First free throw, no basket. There's the second free throw. Wala pa din. Rebound by Kalatkat. Makukuha ni Zarzuela, pero ang bola dito pa rin sa next level Warriors. Here's Replan, dribbling the ball. Pass to Bautista, back to Replan. Matatapikan, Baser makakakuha. Gonzales. Gonzales again, dire-diretso, 2 points by Gonzales. At timeout para sa kupunan dito ng next level Warriors. At magbabalik ulit ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
sarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga ginawa.
And we are back to our ball game. Malabanan, pass to Bautista. To Kalatkat, back to Bautista. Malabanan again. Bibigay kay Yuri. To Bautista, Bautista to Replan. Replan for two, no good. Yuri makakakuha. Replan. 24 shot clock violation by Next Level Warriors. There's number 18, Baser to Rafael. Ibibigay dito sa number 18, Baser to Gonzales. Gonzales dribbling the ball. Atake, Gonzales. Maaagawan ng bola dito ni Bautista. There's Yuri. Pass to Bautista. Replan. Spin, Fortune, basket. Last 1 minute dito sa ating second quarter. Rafael may hawak ng bola. Pass to Gonzales. Lay up, no good. Number 18, follow-up shot. No basket, but fouled by number 3, Kalatkat. First throw by Aranza. Basket. Second free throw. Basket again. 41-31 ang ating score. 10-point lead para sa Next Level Warriors. Malabanan. To Senyadosa. To Replan. Bibigay kay Yuri. To Arboleda. For 3. 3 points by Arboleda. Ayan na naman, Arboleda, pass to Yuri. And there's Yuri, lay up. 2 points again. Last 25 seconds. Aranza to Marquez. Back to Aranza. Bibigay kay Baser. To Rafael, libre-libre. Easy 2 points by Rafael. Last 15 seconds. Arboleda to Yuri. To number 9, Bautista. Replan, traveling violation. Last 6 seconds. Aranza. Long pass. At hindi makasasalo ang bola. Number 28. And we have 33-46 in favor of Next Level Warriors. At dito nagtatapos ang ating second quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
We are still on live stream dito lang sa San Pablo City Basketball page. At kung gusto niyo naman maramdaman ang live action, you can come here in Barangay Concepcion Basketball Court. Ongoing ang laban sa pagitan ng Next Level Warrior at Technical Basketball Team. Halftime score is 33-46 in favor of Next Level Warriors. By the way, I am Diana reporting on the court side of the Next Level Warriors. maganda ang laro na ipinapakita ng koponan sa first half ng laro. Kaya naman Coach DA told his player na i-maintain lang ang kanilang composure at mag-focus lang sa game. Iwasan mainis while the ball is still dribbling. Kaya naman sabi niya sa mga player niya, huwag niyong sundan ang laro nila, hayaan niyong sila ang mag-adjust sa laro natin. Mapapanatili kaya ng next level Warriors ang kanilang point lead at makuha ang pagkapanalo sa araw na ito? Malalaman natin yan sa dulo ng ating laro. At para naman sa ulat mula sa kabilang koponan, nandito ang aking co-courtside reporter na si Shara.
Thank you, Diana. Ang players naman ng technical basketball team ay hindi nagkaroon ng